Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another Diecast car video. And today we have a 2024 casting. We have the Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. And it's number 5 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Race Day and number 122 out of 250. There's the car, there's the card. Very cool. And at the back. Yeah, that's it. Daytona Coupe. And let's go ahead and open this up. So it's in its regular golf livery. I am not entirely sure whether this car is, I think it is available in sky blue, but I don't know if I got my hands on one or not. I'm not entirely sure. But this is basically the dark blue version. Now you do know that golf cars normally they would come in either sky blue or their metallic dark blue, that both pretty much resembles golf very well. The Golf Racing Oil company, and it normally goes with either sky blue and orange or dark blue with orange, and in this case it's more to dark blue and orange, and it looks very nice. I don't know whether I have the sky blue version or not, but then for today's review, basically it's more to this dark blue version, which honestly it looks very great. Just that I can see no details that much, but still it's a very nice looking car nonetheless. You can see some orange here and there, some stripes, some racing numbers, and also some golf sponsorships here and there. And yeah, I really do like the rims as well. Surprisingly, if you don't know the Daytonas, the Shelby Cobra Daytonas, they normally have rear wheels, set of rear wheels which are bigger than the front wheels, if you don't know, and they look great personally. Let's take a close look at our Shelby Cobra Daytona. Why did I say Dodge? Anyways, here we have the Shelby Cobra Daytona, colored in dark blue, metallic dark blue. You can see that it's kind of like this metal flake color, which I do love. It's a very nice flake sort of color of metallic, very nice. So we can see the rims. Yeah, basically you do have blacked out 5-spoke rims with an orange lining right there, which if you guys don't know, normally Hot Wheels, when they do these orange linings or silver linings, whatever, they tend to lose its color, or I'd say lose its paint. I have no clue. I had a lot of experience with past Hot Wheels cars, and normally the chrome paint will come off. It will tend to come off anytime, so you guys better be aware of that orange chrome lining all over the rims, just to be aware of. So that is for the rims, big ones for the rear and small ones for the front. You can see the gas cap. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. A tiny looking side window, surprisingly. You can see the white color, the Hot Wheels logo, a number 3 on the side of the door, which you have a small little door actually, which is interesting. You have an orange stripe on the bottom of the door. Then you have this twin exhaust, side exhaust, I think, like twin exhaust system on the side, on each side, which is interesting. That's great, but then it's not really colored, so yeah, many people might not know about that. You have the Golf Racing logo right there, and then you have Goodyear sponsors right there, which is nice. And yeah, that's it for the side. Moving on to the front, you do not have headlight details. You can see kind of like the headlamp's supposed to be there, but sadly they're not. No front grille detailing or anything at all. For the hood, you do have your single stripe moving towards the roof and all. And then you have the Golf Racing logo right there. You have your hood scoop, but which is not really detailed, but still great, I guess. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, blacked out seats and all. Left-hand drive, I think. Yeah, very nice. The roof, like I said, it does have that stripe, like I mentioned just now. Here's the other side, pretty much the same, not much of a difference. Still looks very cool. And moving towards the back, oh yeah, you have this rear window which is quite large. You can see that there is a plastic spare tire which is basically connected to the whole mold or the whole plastic part, which is yeah, basically just a spare wheel just there for like show, I guess, for display, sort of, which is interesting. And yeah, you can see the wheel right there. And over at the back right here, you do not have rear light details, no like license plate or anything at all, just an empty back. And you do have this rear lip, just if you're wondering. That's nice. A gray colored base, plastic gray colored base, Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe, 2006 metal and made in Malaysia. So yeah, this car, this casting has been alive for like, I don't know, 2 decades or so by now. Almost 2 decades. And yeah, it's been an old car. Personally, basically an old casting, yet Hot Wheels is still developing them till today. And my personal opinion, it's great. Now this car has been in car culture for like what, 1 or 2 times or so, I think. But still, overall, I really do like the details of the car. It's very subtle. It's very good looking model with the golf racing livery, and I totally like it. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Shelby Dodge. Well, I keep saying Dodge. Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe, made by Hot Wheels in this lovely golf livery. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.